Nigeria, known as the giant of Africa, has produced some of the most talented musicians in the world. These musicians have not only made a name for themselves in the music industry, but have also made significant investment in the real estate sector. Looking at some celebrities with insane real estate investment portfolio. First on our list is D'banj, also known as the Cocoa Master. He's one of Nigeria's most successful artists, having won several awards over the years. He's also the owner of a luxurious apartment in the high-end neighborhood of Banana Island, Lagos. This apartment is said to be worth over $1 million, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and a breathtaking view of Lagos. The second celebrity on our list is Lina Ikeji, a Nigerian blogger and a media entrepreneur known for her famous blog, Lina Ikeji's blog. She has also ventured into other businesses, including real estate. Linda is known for her famous and luxurious lifestyle and is said to own properties in Nigeria and across other countries. In conclusion, these Nigerian celebrities have made significant impact in the music industry and also significant investment in the real estate sector. Their portfolios are worth millions of dollars and are a testament to their hard work, dedication, and business acumen. They are an inspiration to other musicians and entrepreneurs, showing that it is possible to excel in multiple fields and attain financial success.